Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. I am Demi and you're watching a Demi Art tutorial. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just go down and click the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and also click the bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Today we are going to take this image and clip it inside a word like this. It really looks cool, right? Let's go learn how to do it now. So to get started, I'll go to File and open up my image. It's the one here. So to get started, grab the type tool, click once and type a word. I'll be using my name. So then go to here to increase the size of the font. If you check, the font sizes only go to like 72. So you can either type in the bigger number or just do what I do. So just click and drag on this icon. So just drag to the right. You can see it goes up. Now I'll use my move tool and get it into position. So now the way it works is that the image has to be on top of the word. That's the way it works. If you want to put the background above, it just says no. So all you have to do is just give it a name. Now just double click and name it. Now just drag it above the word and drop it. So to make the magic happen, just make sure the layer is gray. Next, go to layer and go to this one here that says clipping mask. And here it is. So if I move the image around, you can see that it moves independently of the word. I can also resize it. So to resize, you can just go to edit, transform and scale. And I can resize it. It is the same for the word. It's also independent of the image. So now if you want to move them together, just click on the first one, hold shift down on your keyboard and click on the second layer. Now I can move them both and resize them. Now I want to put my background and drop shadow. Now the background is transparent, hence this pixel stuff showing on your screen. So to create a new layer, and I'll go to this icon and tap it. So I'll call it background. Now to fill it with a color, I'll go over here to edit and choose the fill option and pick a color. Now remember, with the bed looking over the top, I'll have to move this underneath everything. Next thing I want to do is add a drop shadow. So I'll just click on this layer, go down to this icon and choose drop shadow. And now I'm just going to play around with this. You can do this also. Now I would like to change my background to like a gradient. So I'll just come here and do this. I'll also like to add a stroke. You can leave your background white. So I'm done. That's the video for today. So if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button and hitting the bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at thereal_demi. Leave your comments in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.